Beginning this Saturday, the law punishing the owners of large-sized businesses for accidents at their workplace will begin to affect small business owners. This is because the rival parties at the National Assembly did not reach an agreement until the last minute on an extension of the grace period given to small businesses. Our National Assembly correspondent Lee Shi-hoo reports.
Beginning this Saturday, some 830,000 small business owners or CEOs will face penalties if they don't do their best to prevent serious industrial accidents at their workplaces. This as talks after talks between lawmakers spanning days at the National Assembly did not lead to a grace period extension of the Serious Accidents Punishment Act. This would penalize businesses with 5 to 49 workers. The act was first enacted in 2021 to protect workers and customers from health risks and concerns due to preventable malpractices. It was implemented a year after in 2022, but only applied to businesses with 50 or more employees, with smaller businesses given a 2-year grace period. It punishes death, repetitive injuries, or sickness among workers as well as customers who have used their products or services. The owners may receive either a prison sentence of a year or more or a fine of up to 1 billion Korean won or around $749,000. Owners are required to conduct yearly self-inspections to check for safety hazards. Businesses in certain industries must hire an additional safety manager. While Thursday's plenary session was the last chance for an extension according to legal deadline, it wasn't discussed nor voted upon due to clashes in opinions between parties. The PPP has been calling for an additional 2-year grace period for small businesses, saying that it requires more time to prepare the safety measures that have been called for.
Many small and medium-sized business owners may face closures in the worst-case scenario unless the act is suspended. Workers will also lose their jobs.
The DP is calling for further measures by the government before it can agree with the extension. It's calling for the establishment of an industrial safety prevention agency as well as a related budget increase.
If the act is suspended for another 2 years without any action taken, our industrial safety will be in the same state again, even 2 years later.
Amid the debates, President Yoon Suk-yeol called for the Assembly's approval on an extension earlier on Thursday, stating the need to consider the situations of small business owners, his second comment of assertion since a cabinet meeting last week. Lee Shi-hoo, Arirang News.